Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Arjavit and welcome in my new tutorial where I will show you how to add a picture in the post on Facebook. So I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You need to find a choice where you need to put a photo. Okay, I found, and now you need to go in the section of comments, and now you have here have three options. Here you have option attach photo or video, and we click at this here, and now you may choose a picture which you want. Yes, and as you can see, we uploaded picture. You may also add the comments additional to this, and as you can see, we uploaded a picture in the commentary. So that's all what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. If I helped you, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. You may share this video to friends. Goodbye and see you next time.